I'm with Bobby Buddha today, dudes, and I just got here. He's been here, and he said, "Where do you see what I just dug?" Oh, shoo! Dude, it's huge.
I know.
Oh my God! Wow. Let me see the back. That is beautiful.
Shank's still on there.
That's the most beautiful button, Bobby.
I just gotta.
Bobby's beautiful button.
BBB,
awesome.
triple B.
Dude, that's definitely.
I just gotta compare it to my other one, but it might be an Army Great Seal button.
Oh, it's beautiful.
That is nice. That's gonna clean up nicely.
You gotta see like how many balls are up there and everything.
Yeah.
That is beautiful. Read the back. It's beautiful. I hate you. I'm just kidding.
Something in company. Evans and Company?
Let's see. Take a pic. Alright guys, my turn. We'll be back.
Oh, I wanted to show you this.
Uh-oh.
I don't know. It looks like it could be silver.
That's definitely
that
a necklace.
Silver.
It's a fancy necklace.
Yeah, but that part right there definitely looks silver.
That
Why would
be,
you put silver here and not
how
here?
How heavy is it?
It's not that heavy, but it's... I'm wondering if that's silver. That looks silver.
That does look silver.
I can't... I mean, why would you use silver for the rest being crap?
Yeah, it doesn't open.
So I'm going to test the rest of it.
Yeah, man. Very cool. I like that different, interesting stuff. But that button is killer. That's the nicest button I've seen.
That's the second one of those I got, if that's the same one.
All right, we'll be back. Get. Dudes, here with Bobby. First target of the day. He went to his car to get water. I swung around. My shovel is still in the ground. Look at that. I'm gonna leave it just like this for Bobby to come over and check it out. I'll be right back. Alright, here comes Mr. Buddha. I didn't move it. My first hole, dude. Well, second hole, I dug a penny, but look at
I see shiny
jewelry.
I see chain all the way over here, dude.
Yeah, man. Oh, that side's broke.
Dude. Yeah, but that's silver. You get that fixed, man.
It's in there.
Ooh. Is that kind of going all over the place?
Yeah.
Chains do that, man.
There it is. Look at that.
Nice little stone.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it looks like it broke.
Yeah, it's broke.
Bracelet?
It's pretty.
Might have been a bracelet.
Interesting. I'll double check the hole.
I bet you it's a bracelet because it's got the two here.
Yeah.
Might even be one missing.
There's the clasp.
Yep. I'm not going to go bracelet on that. I'm going with bracelet on that one. That's cool, dude.
All right, on to the next.
Might
Look
have
at
some
that.
silver
Not bad.
there. Beautiful.
All right, we'll be back.
Yeah.
Cool.
That's awesome, man. Another stone.
All right, dude. So I double checked the hole.
There's more.
There's more. Definitely.
The other part that's broken. My guess. Yeah.
That might be it.
Yeah.
Another piece of it.
Wow. Now you got all three.
Yeah. Let's see. You stay there. Might be more. I don't know.
Yeah.
Going. I don't know. We'll check. Alright, Buddha dude got another find. Musket ball.
Smushed.
Oops. That is awesome, dude. It would have been a big musket ball.
Yeah.
That got definitely hit something hard.
Yeah, hard too.
Yeah.
Yeah. My head.
Yeah.
Could have. Just bounced right off.
Very cool, dude.
I'll take it.
All right, my turn.
We discovered a new field. We didn't even know we're here.
Dragonfly. Yeah, this is new.
And we pull a musket ball.
Well, you're welcome, because I found it.
You did.
All right.
Let's
This
go check
is
the rest
awesome.
out.
Yeah, man.
All right.
And there's more back that way.
What's that?
There's more. There's like a trail that way. But
Yeah.
that goes to the other
Other
field you
fields.
did.
So we'll take that way back.
This is awesome.
I did it
My way. Nothing?
It is
Quarter. On to the next.
flag quarter.
Wah, wah.